complicated one actually, and a lot of it comes down to what you define as 5G, which is itself it's almost like a philosophical debate as to whether it's driven by standards, whether it's running on sort of multi-year plans as per the ITU and 3GPP, or whether you buy into, say, more the Verizon and some of the Korean visions. 5G might be the last 100-meter access from a fibre node. And so I think that actually it's going to be a useful part of the fixed broadband firmament in the near future. I know a lot of people talk about 3 use cases for 5G of enhanced mobile broadband, critical IoT and massive IoT. In my view, there's a 4th, which is fixed broadband use cases, and not even last mile, but last 1/10 of a mile. And I suspect it will probably occur first in the 28 gigahertz band in North America and Korea. And I suspect it won't go direct to the end device, but will be mediated with next-gen Wi-Fi in the middle. I think that beyond that, we'll see it as a variation of mobile broadband, probably 2018-19 timeframe to kick off, and then the various IoT aspects to it, which I think are quite complicated in terms of both business model and technology. So I think that there will be an interesting complex interdependency between 5G and fibre. It'll vary depending on spectrum allocations in different countries, and it will particularly be based on use cases. So you can imagine in a factory, robots which are standing in one place will probably still have a fibre connection for the last meter. However, the drones will probably need to have some sort of managed spectrum wireless connectivity. Whether that is 5G or whether it's an enhanced version of Wi-Fi is unclear. And if it is 5G, I think one of the interesting possibilities is that it is private 5G. And I think that one of the things that is missing at the moment is a better way of doing shared access spectrum, because I don't think that traditional mobile operators will be the ones to deliver all of the 5G services, particularly in IoT domains.